Hey, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to find draft posts on Facebook. So what you need to do is you all need to open up your Facebook app, click on the top right on the plus icon, and then click on Reel. And first, let's just record the video for the sake of an example. So let's say this is the video. And if we go back one more time, Facebook will ask you, do you want to save it as draft, but it will be removed in 60 days if you don't do anything with it. So click save as draft. And basically, if you want to find it, you need to click on the plus icon again, click on Reel, then on the top right you see the draft icon. Click on the draft icons and you can see this is the video I just recorded, and that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.